be part one of my grocery haul. We just came back from basically the two places I would get like my meats and like my cheeses and my produce. I'm probably going to do either like Walmart, Target run tomorrow and possibly run into Costco for just a few odds and ends. But for the most part, this is kind of the bulk. And there was a big sale, so we wanted to go ahead and hit it. Most of these things, like I said, I am practicing the keto way of eating. Me, my oldest daughter, and my husband are as well. My two youngest ones are not. So some things are for them. But let me show you what I went ahead and picked up. So I went and got myself one of these whole fryer chickens, like the whole chickens. Got it for a really good deal for $4. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to roast this in the oven with like a Curry's butter, rosemary mixture with garlic. And then I'm going to, obviously take the meat off. And then with the bones, I'm going to do a bone broth. So this is going to be kind of a 2-in-1 type of thing. So I got that. These were on sale for 99 cents a pound. It is the fattier choice of meat, but since we are keto, it does work out really, really well for us. And yes, we got 3 of those, so 9 pounds of ground beef. I picked these up for my girls. These are like a good after school treat. If they're in between school activities or we're running, this is just something they can throw in the microwave and have. I got a half a head of cabbage. I love cabbage for a side. I would fry it up with just a little bit of butter and it tastes really good, or I put it in my soups. I mean, you can do a lot of different things. I got some lunch meat for me and for the girls. So I got some of this Cracker Barrel country chicken breast. So I got, I think, 1.5 pounds of this. I got 1.5 pounds of Polish ham, 0 carbs, and 1 pound of hard salami. I think 1.5 pounds of each, all 0 carbs. I got a thing of fresh chorizo. I always opt for the fresh homemade chorizo because the stuff in the package does have carbs in it, because I think it's the preservatives that it has in there. So I always opt for the fresh, and I picked some of that up. Got these tomorrow wraps. These are just the multi-grain ones, and let me tell you, yeah, 4 net carbs. So, and they're just as big as the other ones. I do prefer the other like low carb tortillas. I think they're a little bit more flavorful, but these are really low in carbs. I'm being really, really mindful. I got 2 things of this sugar-free Jell-O, just because me and Leo like it. It's a nice little treat for us. I got a package of Jamaica flowers. So if you guys have been with me for a while, you've seen I make like Jamaica water or Jamaica tea, and it's really good. So if you guys are interested, maybe on my next full day of eating, I'll show you guys how I make it, but it's really good and the health benefits are awesome. So Becky isn't feeling so good, right, Mama? But she got a couple little things of Jell-O. She likes these little Jell-O cups, and they're light on her belly. I picked up 2 of these for the girls. Like I said, they aren't low carb, but I got the banana nut muffins and the blueberry muffins. I like to make these.
I'll put it in the fridge.
Yeah, you can put that in the fridge. I like to make these, and the girls can have them for breakfast. And it heats up the house, guys. I'm all about heating up the house as many different ways as possible. Alright, so I went ahead and I found this. I'm really excited. It's natural peanut butter. You can see like all the oil in it. But the carbs are bomb. Let me tell you, for 2 tablespoons, it only has 3 net carbs. And the fat, I mean, this is like keto in a nutshell. So they had the almond butter, and I've never tried almond butter, and I was like, I don't know. So I just went with this, but the almond butter was lower in carbs. I went ahead and picked up a bunch of liters of Diet Pop. I like Diet Pop. I know some people are for it, some people are against it, but I love it, guys. I'm sorry. It's like a guilty obsession. So I got Sierra Miss Zero, Pepsi Zero, Diet Crush, and another Pepsi Zero. Let me show you what else I got here. So you guys know berries are your most friendly fruit on keto, so I got a couple packages of blackberries because they were on sale. I got a bunch of Brussels sprouts because I love these and they are very keto friendly. I got a couple tomatoes just for salads. I got some pears for the girls. I got a few limes. I got a couple peaches, a couple onions. These are shallots and some jalapenos. So that's in there. And then these bricks of cheese were on sale as well. So I got 2 things of extra sharp, 1 thing of Munster and 1 thing of pepper jack. So always check your macro counting. So the extra sharp is 0 carbs. The Munster I think is less than, no, that's 0. And the pepper jack I believe is less than 1. We like to stock up on those when they're on sale because I could just shred them up myself and put them with food, or I could just cut them up in slices and have them with pepperoncinis. I mean, the possibilities are endless. And then I got 2 loaves of bread. This is the bread we use. Leo and the girls eat it. What is it? It's 11 carbs for 2 pieces. So that's what we got. So this is going to be part 1. Oh, let me show you the other thing I got. I want to remind everybody that, you know, it is getting colder. I don't know if it's cold exactly where you are right now, but do not forget to change your furnace filter, because if you guys are like us, we experience so many like dust allergies. Our noses are all stuffy and everything since we kicked on the furnace. So I went ahead and ran over and got some new furnace filters, but let me show you what I got to put with those. I know this isn't grocery related, but I went ahead and picked these up. These are the cinnamon Filter Fresh. You attach them to your filter and then it just, you know, puts the fragrance throughout your whole home. So I will let you guys know how it goes, but this smell, it does smell like a cinnamon roll. So I'm like, okay, if this is gonna save me on candles and stuff, I'm for it. So we also picked that up. So here you go, part 1. I will see you guys when I come home from the next store. So we just came back from Walmart. This is going to be, I think grocery store number 3. I'm planning on, I think I might go to Costco tomorrow. Not too sure, but I just wanted to show you guys what we got. So we have been loving this Herdez, let me see, guacamole salsa. Let me see if you guys can see it. All right, yeah. So this thing, it is so good. It does have a little kick to it. It is medium, but the macros are pretty good. I think there's only, yeah, there's 2 carbs per 2 tablespoons, but we put it over our eggs. We have it with pork grinds. We put it on our meat, whatever. Bomb. If you guys are in, you see it in your store, pick it up. I got some stevia with my coffee. I have been staying away from the like syrups and just doing 2 packets of stevia with my coffee. And then I got 2 of these Great Value Orange Early Rise. These are same taste just like Tang, and they are delicious and helps get my water in. Napkins, toilet paper, paper plates because we're classy. The kids got some pancakes. Suavitel. This is one of my favorite fabric softeners, and I love the yellow. The yellow is my absolute favorite. We got 2 dozen of eggs because we eat eggs and we eat them all the time, and they're just a good snack to have. A couple packets of brown gravy mix because I was out and I like to have them just in case I do like a Mississippi pot roast. Leo picked up this mesquite seasoning for whatever. And then I got Benny a little doggy bed. So that's it. That's pretty much what we got at Walmart. So I just ran to Costco. These are the final things that I got for our grocery haul. The first thing we pick up, so we have a Costco business center, so we tend to run over there because it's closer. So we got these ends and pieces of bacon, and obviously it is 0 carbs. And bacon is like our favorite around here. So, and I believe this is only like $6. So we picked that up. Oops. We picked up some of this sliced cheese. This is less than 1 gram of carbs. We're having a little like spooky treat Halloween get together for my girls tomorrow, and we're gonna make like pumpkin cheeseburgers. So we're gonna cut out like the pumpkin face on the cheese slices. So we picked that up. I got a big bag of Caesar romaine lettuce because we love salads. And then I got a packet of drumsticks because they're like 99 cents a pound. And then we got a case of water. All right, guys, so that's gonna wrap it up. That's basically an every 2.5 week grocery haul. When I find like meats on sale, I tend to stock up. It just works out the best for us. I never like for my freezers to run low, especially when you're on a low carb diet. Your diet has a majority of protein in it. So that's a good like tip for you guys. If you can find a good sale on certain meat products, just stock up, because it's always good to have. You could always find the little additives to throw in there for cheap, but it's usually the protein that's the most expensive part of your meal. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. If you guys are new here, hello, my name's Danielle, and I do a little bit of everything around here. So I would love for you to stick around and please subscribe. But all right, guys, I will check on you later. Have a great day, and I'll see you later. Bye, guys.